Crouchley Plumbing Company is a locally owned family business that has been serving the Portland metro area for over 100 years. We pledge to provide our customers with quality plumbing work installed by clean, friendly, knowledgeable plumbers. Here are what some of our clients say. Mark Hershey says, "Highly recommend them. Very friendly and helpful advice. I'll always go to Crouchley first for all plumbing needs. Everyone in St. John's recommends them." Emerson This says, "Showed up on time. Patiently diagnosed my annoying plumbing situation and had a very professional and positive attitude. I was very pleased with the solution and the price was very reasonable. This is my new plumber. For us, no job is too small. Call us today to schedule an appointment."